Welcome back to my channel. Swimming is a skill that we all should learn from our childhood. In this video, I am going to share with you how to learn swimming step by step. This video is perfect for children and adults who have less or no experience in swimming. There are different swimming styles such as butterfly, backstroke, etc. We are going to focus on freestyle swimming. It is the basic swimming style and it is much easier. Some of the necessary skills required for swimming are breath control, floating, kicking, and strokes. I am going to tell you how I learned swimming step by step. Step 1 is to learn to float in water. Hold the edge of the pool or pond. Now try to stay afloat and kick your legs. Step 2 is to practice floating in water with the help of a tube or cans filled with air. Practice this till you are comfortable floating in water. Step 3. Try swimming short distances on your own. Once you're confident, you can swim longer distances. And there you have it. Now you can try different things like swimming underwater, jumping from the diving board, or learning new strokes, but in the supervision of adults. So, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new in this video. See you next time. Bye!